how you can transfer files from your DJI Osmo Nano to your Mac or MacBook. Make sure you have the cable ready. This comes with the DJI itself and connect it to your Mac. Now we want to rotate our DJI Osmo Nano, and here is the lid, and simply open it and put the C cable to the charging port. So make sure to put it in. And now it says connected to computer, and you have to keep connection between your Mac and the Vision dock. I did it before, so now it's doing it automatically. But if you are doing it first time, you have to go to your settings. You need to scroll down and find the USB mode. If you click USB mode, here is file transfer, internal storage, click it. And now it wants to connect your C cable to the port like we did before. So connect it, now it's connected, and now go to your MacBook. And on your MacBook, go to your Finder in left down corner area. And here on the left, you can see locations. When you are doing it first time, there's gonna be pop-up that you have to trust this device. And here you're gonna be Osmo Nano in the left bar locations. So click on it and enter DCIM. Open it, and here you can actually see the MP4 file. So if you want to move it, you can just grab it and move it to your desktop or to your computer. If you are finished, disconnect your device and you can simply turn it off and you are finished. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.